WITSON.
About the package, we use colorbox to pack. And inside the package, we use EPE to fix and protect products. Here are the accessories. Let's first look at the accessories. Microphone, GPS antenna, USB cable, cable for aux input/output, power cable, the product. Here are all the things in the package. First, let's take a look at the appearance. The color of it is white, and here are some buttons on it, like volume, Bluetooth, navigation, and others. Here are car slots for GPS and USB. Okay, let's take a look at the configuration. Gear system. About car. The model is A227L. The Android version is 10.0. And other information here. Here in the main interface, it has radio. You can also search for radio station manually. Then you can long press to save the radio station. Here is the DSP function. You can adjust by yourself. Here, Bluetooth. You can connect this Bluetooth with your mobile phone Bluetooth, and then you can dial or listen to music. Here, Bluetooth music, you can listen to music on your mobile phone. Here, navigation. And you can click here for more applications like Google Play Store, YouTube. Here, music. You can click here to switch these two parts. And here you can choose to play music from your USB or others. Here is the music collection. It also has the DSP function you can adjust here. Then in the settings, you can connect to Wi-Fi. Also, you can in here system, you can change languages and the date and time. About our products, you can follow us on YouTube to get more information. If you place an order now, you can get free camera and installation tool.
Zhuhai WITSON Industrial Company Limited, established in 2003. Have over 17 years, plenty of experience about car DVD GPS products. Our products mainly include all-in-one special OEM series, vertical Tesla series, universal big screen plus various frame series, and AUDI, BMW, Mercedes-Benz Big Screen Series. For same car type, we can supply different price lever hardware and UI design in order to meet different market demand. WITSON hires faithful professional engineers and marketing sales engaged in car multimedia products over 10 years, developing 5 to 8 new models per month, and can supply over 1,500 different models for different car brand. All our products will have fully QC checking work before shipment. The factory has highly automated production equipment and 100,000 grade standard dust-free workshop, which covers area of 4,000 square meter. Efficient productivity ensures many high-quality and reliable products in short time. We understand time is money under today's increasingly competitive environment, so we keep average 2,000 pieces different models stock monthly to bring our customers with fast and short delivery time to win more market opportunity. Mostly important, we have our European warehouse stock for some hot sales models to supply our EU customers with fast and tax-free shipping way. WITSON accept different business cooperation way, like OEM, ODM, dropship. We trust we could support you increasing the business by our professional experience, various newly developed products, plenty of stock, and one-stop shop service. Join with WITSON and we growth together.
Welcome to WITSON! WITSON, better than expected!
WITSON